Or not only could we see some better rains coming in later in the day and into this evening, but another round of strong storms may be a possibility too. Here's part of the issue. The rain just sat there over Surry and Wilkes and Carroll County, Patrick County too, and rained for several hours and sometimes steadily and heavily, and did bring several inches of rain to that area. Doppler radar indicating that some places may have gotten over 8 inches of rain and possibly double-digit totals up that way. We just got an update from the Storm Prediction Center. Areas south of I-85 now, better chance for strong storms. That has sagged to the south from where we were yesterday, so fewer counties, really the southern half of the area and south of I-40 and 85. Best chance of seeing that. We're already starting to see a little activity farther west, scattered showers and storms beginning to pop up. It's just very unsettled with a close proximity of a front draped over the Carolinas. Tons of moist air kind of converging along that. You heat it up and it starts to bubble up some showers and storms in the heat. We got some warmer spots. Winston-Salem, Lexington, Burlington already reporting temperatures in the 80s. We're in the low to mid 70s. We're slower to warm, and that's why we're seeing fewer expecting fewer storms and especially strong storms later on. For the Triad, we'll gradually increase rain chances, and impact icons are not only up for the high rain chance later this evening, but the chance we could see a couple of strong storms developing in that time frame. Stormy day in the foothills. Rain chances arrive again a little earlier. Again, not quite as impactful this time around. Mountain temperatures up near 70, and then additional rain should begin to cool things down, and you'll be in the 60s for most of the time frame. Latest again on Idalia, 65-mile-an-hour winds. It has gotten better organized in the last 24 hours. Satellite presentation looking good too. The storm is expected to track northward, getting stronger as it does so, and then take a long, slow curve toward the Florida Peninsula. We are anticipating a Florida landfall in the Big Bend area sometime around sunrise or daybreak early Wednesday morning at this point. That has been pretty consistent. Cone is narrow up until this point, and then it starts to stretch outwards. And even this far out, there has not been very much movement in the projected track of the storm. It should reemerge along the Atlantic coastline in Georgia and South Carolina and kind of hug the Wilmington area before accelerating out to sea sometime during the day on Thursday. As far as the wind models are concerned, forecast gusts, I'm going to let this go until this gets closer to the coast, and you can see winds start to pick up Tuesday evening and potentially could get in the 50s and 60s, really depending on the strength of this storm, considering that it will be it's expected to be a major hurricane when it makes landfall early Wednesday morning. Those gusts could be in excess of 100 miles per hour. As far as rainfall goes, this will enhance the rain that's already in place. We're expecting another round of scattered showers and storms just to be in the Carolinas tomorrow, especially for the western half. And then the coverage starts to increase as that storm comes on shore, and you'll get more moisture feeding along that stationary front. Now, the more we watch these models, the more the storm is getting squeezed a little bit more to the south. So if we get the steady rains coming in, we're going to be on the very edge. There will likely be parts of our area that don't see much rain at all, favoring our northern and western areas from this. Triad has the best chance of seeing substantial rains from this. But each day we go through these model runs, the track tends to be tending just a little bit to the south, which tends to keep us out of the heavier rain. Now, the American model is trying to build a little bit back. A quick look at the European model shows you it's way down to the south, with most of the rain that we have in the Triad coming on Monday and Tuesday before the storm even comes in. So we've got some work to do here, and we'll keep you updated throughout the week. Make sure you join Lainey tonight. She'll take you all through it all again.